Hi everyone, we are back today. Today we are here to finally finish the sheetrock once and for all because it so far has totally kicked our butts and we feel good about being able to finish this today. We're hoping that if we can get this all done, we can take the kids fishing.
Yeah, that's the goal, is to get this place cleaned up. Maybe do a walkthrough. I think it's doable.
So we're excited about that because it'll just be nice to get it all clean and like let you guys be able to see what it looks like now that all the sheetrock is up. But once again,
More sheetrock.
and that's what we're doing today.
That's what we're doing. Look how perfect I made that circle with this handsaw. You're in, babe.
Okay, I'm coming. You guys, we just finished hanging the last piece of sheetrock.
It feels really good to be done with this part.
That portion of it.
The sheetrock hanging is now behind us. We have a huge mess. I'm talking giant mess to clean up.
Enormous.
I think we're gonna go home, have some lunch, and bring 2 helpers with.
That's a really good idea. Yeah, they need a break from school anyway. Now let's go get the kids.
Go say hi to everybody.
Hello, everybody. We're back and we have our kids with us to come help us clean this place up. Are you excited?
Are we?
Hey, you're making lots of noise over there.
Can you show some more stuff?
Oh.
Sorry. Can you show some more stuff back there?
Welcome to the Cottonwood Coty.
Okay, bear with us. I know that this is very, very cheesy, but this is Jenna's inspiration for this house. All these pictures came straight from her Pinterest board, and we've kind of just put them in
A very amateur fashion.
of where she's getting her inspiration from for the design of this house. Obviously, everything's not going to be exactly the same, but you'll get an idea of how this house is hopefully going to be laid out in the near future. Bathroom.
As you may be able to tell, I don't really have a particular design style. I think my style is just buy what I like and hopefully it looks good together.
That's where we're gonna eat. That's where we're gonna make the food.
That's where we're gonna do the
Do the dishes and make the food to do it.
Cook the
eating.
food. And that concludes our house tour. Okay, we're loaded down. The back of the truck is so loaded down. And we're on our way to the dump. And thank you, kids, for helping.
Wasn't it fun?
Yeah, it actually wasn't that bad.
It wasn't bad.
Wow.
Many hands make light work, isn't that right? We're off to the dump. Maybe we'll find a treasure there. Did you guys find a treasure?
Yeah, we can put it in our cabin.
There's a parietal vote. I don't know what parietal is. Who cares about parietal?
I don't.
Oh.
Don't forget the nervous system.
Need a protractor for math. and a compass.
Biology? Human biology? Who the
Hey, biology is.
No.
We help mom and dad. We get to pick us up.
No. No. Put it back. Is that worth it? Helping us?
Is this my payment for today?
Yeah.
Thanks for helping me fill me out at the house today. It's no guitar, but.
So we are back on our way to my brother's house again. I broke the handle. I ordered a new one. It came yesterday, and it just turns out that the bolt doesn't fit into the nut that's there. So we're on our way to Uncle Drew's
Drew saves the day again.
to see if he can weld this nut on there and add a new handle for Milt. Sorry, Milt. You're getting a new handle.
Get a new handle.
It's like metal is pouring it in there.
We're moving on. Time for corner bead.
You didn't cut the tape measure, did you?
No! Have you ever tried to do 2 at a time? Is that a thing?
I have not tried.
I'm gonna try. So that's like pretty much the same. See if I'm strong enough to even snip these two. Bam. Uh-oh.
Who puts such big nails in these?
What happened there? To be fair, it was kind of compromised to begin with because it fell. I had it leaning.
And then I hit
A screw.
a screw or something right here. This is hard to get off.
That was the last one.
Because of you, I feel like I'm good.
That's right, the kids were such good helpers yesterday that we recruited them again today to come help us do the pre-fill. And it's pretty late, it's almost 6 o'clock at night, but we're back. They agreed to do this to come help us, so that's what we're doing tonight.
A little bit nervous.
You guys are gonna be great, it'll be fine. Dad gave you a little 101. It's all good.
You can see the screw still, just let us know and we can screw it
So
further.
it doesn't have to be completely.
I finally know how to play my part. You made me see the light that's in the dark. Now I know that I don't own a broken heart, and that's all because of you. Maybe I'm not supposed to say it out loud, but lately I feel like there's nothing else on my mind. I've lived a life without you, and that wasn't enough for me. I've seen the world through my eyes. I'd rather share this scenery. I will give my heart forever.
Bob Ross in it over here. Just a little roll. Just get a little roll on the end of your knife like that. How you do it. How it's done, people. Just kidding. I have no idea what I'm doing.
Looking good, pre-filled.
Hot dang, that did turn out pretty good.
I finally know how to play my part. You made me see the light that's in the dark. Now I know that I don't own a broken heart, and that's all because of you.
Mom paid $1 for the oxygen in there. We're gonna get use of all that oxygen.
Time to haul out the body.
Stop it.
It was a hair.
Yeah, stop. You got how excited.
Hey, we don't have to stay out here all night tonight.
I'm staying out here till we catch 3 fish.
Finley. Don't, well, good luck.
It's a nice little crappie.
Yeah.
Don't horse it. Hey!
Scary.
Those got good teeth on them, so. Hold it up.
It's okay.
Nice job.
Oh, that was fun. Did you do that again?
Is it spinning? Give it a yank. Ooh, it's the same one, I bet. Let her go. Head first.
Textbook, I tell you.
Let's see.
She got the other one like 2 minutes earlier.
That's right. That's how it's done, people.
All right,
That is how it is done. I am
Explain how it's done.
so happy.
How's it
You
done?
just sit there.
That was not funny.
Did you do it on purpose?
Obviously.
It was there and not.
What happened? We lost you guys.
Look, it completely broke.
Oh my gosh, the carabiner broke.
It's not rated for what we were using.
Your zipper's down.
Cool.
That's inappropriate.